I feel like a queer. I'm just saying.
Because you are.
Shut the fuck up. Okay. I'm Matt Daly. I ride for Fugitive BMX, and this is my bike check. And I suck dick. Start with the frame. It's 2012 Federal Lacey, Dan Lacey signature frame. It's beast.
It's beautiful.
It's so sexy. So sexy. Yeah. Alright, starting with the front. There's stolen cell bars, 8.65 rise, 28.5 wide, with ODI XL grips, Fly Bikes Potentia stem. Oh yeah, sexy. Got the stolen Vortex SSL forks. Yeah, nice. For the tire, got the Odyssey Aiken P Light. Laced to it's got a Primo N4 FL front hub, integrated hub guards, Primo spokes, and Odyssey quadrant rim. Yeah. Got the GI Odyssey pegs. They suck, but they're pegs, so they work. Start with the seat. We got the Federal Fat seat with a Fit Bike Co. seat post. Down here we got nitrous cranks. They suck, but I have titanium spindle with TI bolts, United Metro 28-2 sprocket, shadow chain, and Colony pedals. Yeah. Same as the front, Primo, Odyssey. It's really nice. Got a BSD hub guard, Odyssey peg, and it's nice and loud. And forgot to mention the sweet parts. E-clat headset, sexy. Best headset ever, just saying. And a United bottom bracket. Ooh, yeah. That's my bike check, bros. That's right. The ride.
Matt, you forgot your things. They're mine now.